Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a Redmi Turbo 4 Pro, and let me share with you how to add the photo to a contact in this device. So let's start with opening your contact list. Find the contact which you'd like to edit and tap on it, and then tap on this edit icon in the right upper corner. Let me quickly remove the photo. So here all you have to do is to tap on add picture, and now you can choose it from device photos where you've got your own gallery, or you can immediately open the camera app just by tapping on this option. Google Photos where you've got your backed up photos and illustrations which are free of charge and they are available online. If you want to, if you do not have the photo of someone whose contact you'd like to customize, you can choose something from those options. So let me choose maybe this one. I believe this is Corgi. So here we've got some kind of presets, so you can change the colors. What is more, in all of those options you will be able to crop the picture, so you can zoom in or out the photo just by using your fingers. You can also change the position of it. You can change the size of this highlighted square, or actually highlighted circle, and thanks to this you can decide what you will see after saving the whole contact. So just tap on choose after setting it just like you want to, and then tap on save in the right upper corner. And as you can see, we've got our photo applied. It will be visible on the contact list and, for example, during all incoming calls from that specific number. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.